Hello, listeners. Welcome to the weekly Fundamental Podcast. In today's episode, we will look at the global and Indian markets. Then, I will also talk about the top stock ideas coming straight from our research desk. So, let's jump right in. Indian markets were slightly lower last week, while the US markets gained around 1% on the back of positive COVID related news, economic growth, and earnings reports. Globally, the most anticipated piece of economic news this week is Friday's monthly jobs report. Back home, India's unemployment rate fell to 9.2% in June from 11.9% in May, aided by steady relaxation of restrictions in major states. In the medium term, we expect FPI flows in India to remain strong, driven by recovery in growth. Promising export outlook led by revival in global economy, coupled with low interest rates in the domestic market, is expected to augur well for recovery of growth in India. From oil space, crude oil prices have surpassed $75 per barrel, with OPEC and allies to shortly decide their production policy amidst rising crude demand. Now coming to the top stock picks. Cummins India is our top pick of the week with the fair value of rupees 1030 with an upside of 16.9%. The stock has been chosen on the back of the prospects of Cummins gaining in terms of margin and market share in the domestic market once CPCB 4 norms get implemented. The impending transition in emission norms would boost the pricing power of Cummins. We assign higher 24x multiple to factor in the benefits of CPCB 4 transition on exports starting FY24. Next, our research team initiated coverage on IndiaMart Intermesh with a buy rating and a target of rupees 8,565. That is valuing the stock at a PE of 65x. We expect revenue CAGR of 24% and PAT CAGR of 19% during FY21-23. We believe higher PE multiple is justified as IndiaMart's platform has strong search engine, diversified exposure, strong network effect, and more importantly, it is also widening its ecosystem by bringing in additional services including payment getaways. Now moving on to top picks from auto industry. The industry released its June numbers last week. As per our estimates, domestic passenger vehicle industry volumes saw more than two-fold increase on a year-on-year basis in June 2021 due to three reasons. One is reopening of the economy in various states. Second, pent-up demand as most of the showrooms were closed for 1 or 2 months. And third, low base effect. Our picks in the auto sector are M&M with the fair value of rupees 975 and Bajaj Auto with the fair value of rupees 4600. Lastly, here's the result update and our research team's view on Sunteck Realty stock. Sunteck reported an operationally strong fourth quarter with sales improving by 6% year on year. The sales mix was dominated by mid-income and affordable projects, which contributed 47% and 21% of the pre-sales respectively, while ready-to-move-in inventory in Andheri and Borivali contributed another 23% to sales in FY21. We note that launches of new mid-income projects, sustenance sales from new phases of extant projects, as well as clarity on usage of surplus land in Oshiwara will act as a key catalyst for the stock. We maintain buy rating with revised fair value of rupees 360 per share. You can read in detail about these stocks in the research section of Kotak Securities website. So friends, that's all for this week. Thank you for joining in. Stay tuned for more updates and stock picks next week. Happy investing.